Hope you're all doing well during this lockdown. So today I'm going to be doing another training with Toni, and it's going to be a similar video to the first one that I did, which was a French plait, but today this one's different in a way. So it's still a French plait, but it's placed on the different part of the hair. So it's just placed around the hairline. So it's great if you have, you've got a little fringe coming down and like clips aren't really helping you. It's great for just keeping that up out the way, so then nothing gets in your face. So I absolutely hate when my hair gets in my face. I always tuck it behind my ear. But if you've got a little fringe, you can't get into the hairdressers, easy plait out the way. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so we have lovely Lucinda here. Now with this plait, it's just gonna go all the way around the hairline. So this will look really cute if you might have like a little fringe at the front and it's annoying, like even if you clip it away, it just falls down. Plaits are just a lot easier to hold in than a clip, in my opinion, really. So, lovely Lucinda's parting is in the middle. If you do have a side parting, it generally doesn't matter. You just go from where the parting lies. So what we're gonna do, put our head down a little bit. Go from where the parting lies. So what we're gonna do, put our head down a little bit, do a lot bigger section so we can see it more then. I'm still gonna leave a bit of hair just to fall over the ears, so then you can just have this beautiful plait and you can actually see it then. So you can use a clip, you can use a comb, you can use your fingers, like it doesn't matter, I just prefer using a clip. So I'm probably gonna take like, probably about that much, a good chunk. Now I'm just going to curve it round until I feel the ear. Don't make it a straight line down, just curve it a little bit, curve it back towards you until you feel the ear. So then you've got that sectioning then, okay? So I'm going to clip this hair out the way. So I've just got this section here then. On the other side, so you can see where the guide is. See where that is, and then I'm just going to carry on. Sectioning then too. Clip that out the way. Right, so we're going to work our way all the way up, down and around. So what I want to do is take just probably about ½ inch size section, plait that into 3, and just do how you would a normal French plait. Okay, I don't know if you can see. Oh. Okay, so we're just gonna do our normal 3. This will help a lot more if you saw my first video I did on this plait, just so you know what you're doing then. Okay, then you're gonna take just a little section. Okay, so put that big, a few strands of hair, add it to the end one. Make sure you're keeping that tightness, keeping that tension. And again, another tiny bit of section, add it to the end one, and plait. Okay? It's all about tiny little sections with this one. I know some people tend to take a whole one section and add it to the middle and then plait. I can't do that. I don't know how people do that. I find that very impressive, but I cannot do that to save my life. So I just don't do that. After plaiting for a while, you'll find a way that's most comfortable to you. So you start to see that little platform in there. It may look really tight now, but I'm only doing it just so I don't get any baggy bits around here, because I just want the tension from the sections I took. Once we've finished, I'm then going to pull the plait out so it looks a bit bigger then.
Try not to take too long of sections, like take little squares. Don't take the hairline and you have that guide, but once you go over and then you've got to go down, that's when you've got to like change your body position and like trying to follow it as much as you can. We are at the top of the parting here, almost at the parting. I'm losing my voice. So what you want to do is to hide that demarcation line, because as you're going through the plait, you don't want to have a gap where you can see the parting. So what you want to do is take that parting from, well, the section of where the parting is, add it onto that, add them together. Then you also want to take that section, so don't plait anything yet, but take that a little bit from the other other half of the parting is, just a very small bit, just so you don't get that demarcation line then. Okay, so you kind of see it, but it's not where you've taken a full section from there then. You've added some bits onto it, so it's not a straight line then. Now, we are coming down from the hair, we are coming down now. This is probably the trickiest bit, because now you have to tilt in the way the head is tilting. You have to follow around where the head is tilting. Like, you can't see with this section, it looks like you're just gonna go down. You can't, you have to slowly follow it around and make sure that plait is not in front of the ear when you finish, but behind the ear. You want it looking like that, not like this, okay? So you want to take smaller sections from the bits that are closer to the full head of hair, and then take bigger sections here and kind of not put it straight, but put it on an angle. Okay, so then the hair sections know then, like, oh, okay, we're turning, right, that's fine. Okay, so you start to see the little bit of a curve there now. Also, another good trick, when you get to start picking up sections, what you also could do is only take from this side and then plait, not take from both sides. Get what I mean? So you know when you take a section, take all of it. Take all of it, add it to one section, then just plait. Add it to that section, then just plait. So once you've plaited that, so don't worry about these flyaway bits, don't worry about that. I then want you to, wherever you've finished the plait, take probably a section about, you can see, probably about almost the ear. Okay, maybe a little bit more. Okay, so then I would just tuck, can't see, flip that. You've got that cut off then. What I would do, so you grab some hair grips, or bobby pins, I don't really know what you call them, and just tuck it into that bit of grip hair that you have here. Okay, and then I would get another one, just because she has got a lot of hair. You would want to take a piece of the plait into there, and then take a piece of the hair, just put it in. Okay, so it's like that, so it's in there. Okay, that's not coming off. And then we take out the clips. Okay, and there you go. And then if you want to go through, make them a little bit bigger, you can always pull them out. Okay, and that's how you do plait around the hairline. You can always make them smaller or bigger. It's entirely up to you, but just make sure that these aren't baggy. You want to keep that tension. Okay? So if she tucks her hair behind her ear, like it's fine. It's all fine because she's still got another plait.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time on Training with Toni. Bye!